Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on and where to find voice access functions in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. How to turn on voice access in our phone. First we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility functions here, and in interaction and dexterity we have our voice access. By default it's of course turned off. To turn it on, we simply tap this button here. We need to allow this. And in settings, it's a good idea to set up activation button. This is this button right here. So when we tap this button, our voice access will be active. Let's test it. Go back. Stop voice access. And now, as you can see, it functions as it's intended. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.